Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with outside shower, outside speakers, high-rise faucet, tri-fold sofa sleeper, LED interior lighting, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, AM/FM CD DVD player, 4-door refrigerator, bathroom toilet, bathroom shower with a seat, living room fireplace, kitchen island, pull-out spray faucet, theater seating, automatic levelers, slide-out trundle bed with flip-up bunk, cable TV hookup, rear living area, decorative kitchen backsplash, bathroom cabinet with mirror, shower skylight, ceiling fan, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, designer headboard, LED exterior lighting, quad slides, entertainment center, end tables on either side of the sofa, kitchen pantry. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.